My everyday makeup routine is very, very simple. So wait up. How simple can it be? All I do is I use a concealer. So I'm using this concealer right here. This has a brush with it. And so all I do is I just turn the knob like that. I grab my mirror so that I can see what I'm doing. And then I just start painting. I just paint it onto my face like that. Very simple, very easy to use. I also make sure I get my under eye area. And then once I do that, you see how simple that is? All I do next is, so after doing that, I can use this brush area to just pat it in, kind of pat everything in like that. Just smoothing everything. You can also get your normal brush and also use that to quickly do it. Because most of the time I'm always in a hurry. I'm always in a hurry. I just go like that. And you see how it just makes it look as if my skin is glassy. So that is what I do. That is all I do when it comes to concealer. Then the next thing that I do after all this is I do my eyeshadow. So for my eyeshadow, I just grab a color that I want to use. I'm going to use this color today. Pat that in. Very simple. Pat that in. Like that. And that's it. So I like to put a little brighter color somewhere in my eyes. So I'm going to get a little brighter color just to give my eyes a little pop. And I'm just going to pat that in there, right there. And then I just kind of rub it onto this section like that. So this is my eyeshadow done. Very, very easy, very quickly. So next, I'm going to use my eyeliner. And I'm going to just grab my eyeliner. And I like this eyeliner because all I just do is I just draw. Just draw a line. And I'm not that good at makeup, but this I love doing. And it makes my eyes pop. Oh, the eyeshadow I used was NYX eyeshadow. Yeah. So next I grab my mascara, and this comes in a set. So I grab my mascara, I just use my mascara and just put that like that. Just put that like that. And you can see that is it. You see how flawless that is. Sometimes I'll put on blush and stuff. I'm not doing that right now. I grab my NYX eyebrow. And I'm just going to brush it. I'm not going to really do much with my eyebrow. My eyebrow is due for reshaping. So I'm just going to just draw a little bit. Because I don't have eyebrow at the tip of my eyebrow. Let's put eyebrow. Yep. And, okay. For my lip, I'm just going to use my lip pencil. Just line that up like that. I like painting in the lip pencil just a little bit more. And I always do that. Yeah, little secret. I always do that with the lip pencil. And then lastly, I've been loving this color changing lipstick, and all I do is just take it, rub it in, and it changes according to the temperature of my body. Okay. So that's it. That's my makeup routine. That's how I put on my makeup. And yeah, that's it.